Hey guys, I know the audio is going to be bad on here because I'm on my phone and it's really windy today, but I wanted to show you something. This is some good stuff. So the stuff I'm talking about here is the Miracle Mist Instant Mold and Mildew Cleaner. I'd read somewhere that this is good for your roof on your RV, so I got up here today just to check it out and see. This is a typical RV roof right here with a mildew and stuff, so it's about a year's worth of mildew there. Look at this, I just sprayed this on. Okay, I haven't washed it off, I haven't brushed it, haven't done anything, but just spray it on. It's been on there for like 3, maybe 5 minutes, and look what it's done. It's just eaten that away, so I'm very pleased with this product so far. Okay, honest opinion of Miracle Mist Instant Mold and Mildew Cleaner. Did a really good job on the roof of the camper. I was surprised I didn't have to scrub much at all. Used a whole bottle on the roof, and then used a second bottle, just a little piece of it, spot cleaning around the camper. You about to be done?
Mm-hmm.
You know you got the other side to do?